Hello, my name is Jaap from Tigerlink in Preston, and today I'm going to show you how to do a basic setup for the Merlin motors and for the Grifco motors. This is how to do a basic setup with the Merlin Slider 600. If you powered everything up and the gate motor is installed, you're going to start to go into the programming mode to start the setup. We first have the button S, P, plus and minus. S is to program a remote, P is to press enter, minus and plus is to scroll down and up in the menu. To start the setup, we're going to press the button P for a couple of seconds. It goes straight away to main menu, select application. We're going to press P again, and it will say Slider MGS600. That is indeed this motor, so we can press P again. Then we're going to press the plus button to go to the next step, and it's the direction of the motor. We press P to enter this application. Now it's asking us to press and hold the plus and asking if the gate is opening or closing. So we're going to hold the plus button, and in this case the gate is indeed opening, so we can press P. We're going to press plus once more, and it's asking for limit and force learn. The moment we press P, the gate will start moving and it's going to learn itself how big the gate is. So now it's done with learning how big the gate is, and it's done with the beginning of the setup, and the system is ready to go.